Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm here with a video response to Kathy, who's Kathy's Cards here on YouTube, and she's having a Valentine's Day card challenge over at her channel, and I have her link down below so you guys can go and check her out. This year she's doing a Valentine's Day cards for a senior's home that her sister and friends are living, and she wanted to do something to give to the people that live there. So I thought that was a great way to give back. And this year, one of my goals is to use what I have. And I know I've said this time and time again, but I really, really am just sticking with what I have in my stash. I haven't even gone to Michael's to buy the latest and greatest paper pads and embellishments, and because I have so much. And I just wanted to, I've told some people or some friends that I wasn't going to do any challenges, but when Kathy did this video, I thought I wanted to do it. I mean, I, you know, I just love to do something that will make somebody smile or make them feel good. So this is, like I've done Justine's challenges, and I just love doing stuff like that. And I remember Beth here on YouTube used to have this card challenge that she did every year or every other month or every couple months or something. And I miss those things. And I always love making cards for people that could give to somebody that really needed it. So she asked us to make Valentine's Day cards. So I made a couple. Let me go with this one. Oh, this is the first one I made. Like I said, I used papers from my stash. Here's some trim that I had laying around. These are some rosette hearts that I been making. As you can see here, I've been putting these together, trying to build up my stash for Valentine's Day. And I'm in a personal swap currently, so I've been making embellishments here and there. I haven't been really doing anything else. I laid this lace that I got at Walmart that I just love to lay in the background of a lot of my projects lately. I don't know. It's just a very flat, pretty lace that you can add to a card or to a project that won't add a lot of bulk. So I have Beady Bomb Bomb here on YouTube had generously sent me her file of all these Valentine's Day words and stuff like that. Thank you, Elizabeth. And I have it here that says, "Hey Valentine." And I really like how this card turned out. And I know she said several layers, and I think I have a couple, two or three layers of embellishments on here. So I think it's really cute and simple and very Valentine to me. Oh, and I added a button, and this is like a felt heart to the rosette hearts that I've gotten from Ally Express. So my second card here is an A2 size card, just like the other one. I added some papers from my stash. Here's a paper doily, another paper layered on top of the doily. Here's a rosette that I made. I can't even, I think last year sometime. I added a glittered heart from Dollar Tree, and then here is a felt cherub. I just thought it was so cute. And then I have another word that says sweetheart. So I really like this one. This one is so adorable. It's just super cute. So I even decorated the envelopes to go with it. just a little, it's just felt, flat felt. It's nothing, you know, I try not to make it two-dimensional, you know, but I do like that. So I'll have Kathy's link down below. This is for her challenge. I hope you like it, Kathy. And I hope you get a lot of cards for this challenge to give to the seniors at the senior home. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.